How about WFK, work from kitchen? How about WFB? That's where I'll be doing today, working from the beach.
Are you going to the beach?
Yeah, it's only 5 minutes away. It's been nice down there. It's been 90 degrees on the sand. 90 degrees on the
Wow.
sand, yeah. Hey, check this out. We just stopped out of the gold. I really thought this was going to be the one that was going to rally up. So it was a good trade altogether, but the stop has finally gotten hit. We've come back through the SMA. You can see the S&P free falling. I guess before I get too deep into this, I need to just throw up a good old risk disclosure just to play it safe. So let's just throw this up for the crowd to see. You guys can just take a look at that real quick. Make sure that you are aware that there is risk in trading. The risk of loss in trading commodity futures contracts can be substantial. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, we have a live trade on. This is the S&P. The S&P has broken, finally. It's been a real choppy session since 9:30 when we first opened up. And you can see just chopping. Finally broke the bottom. Now, this is a bear zone 3 trade. That white line there, that was the low of the day. Obviously, that's been taken out. And I've got this box trade set up over here, bear zone 3. For those of you that don't know the zones, here they are. Know them, love them, eat them, sleep them, think them, be them. You need to know the zones and the levels to help you identify if you're in a bear zone, a bull zone, which zone, one zone, second zone, third zone. We're in the third zone today, down deep. And yes, I'm locking in some more profit here as we're moving down. And we're going right into the 11 o'clock hour. I was anticipating this break to happen at 11. It happened at 10:45. And I've got a 3 lot that I did here. I've taken some money off the table. I'm just letting this last one run, locking in more profit now. I've got profit of $350 locked in on the last one. This will be the trade of the week. This quite possibly will be the trade of the month of June. And the stock market getting ready to put its first losing weekend. I think I saw it earlier. Worst weekend. I think the last. Oh, I know the. There it is. It's up actually on the screen right now. Having its worst week in the last 12 weeks. So yeah, we're a participant. Now think about all those people that are trying to pile into the stock market right now, worried about, well, is this the time to buy? Well, with what we're doing, we can come in any given day and not having a concern in the world about what we're going to buy or what we're going to sell. Some days we're only selling, some days we're only buying, and some days it's the stocks, other days it's natural gas. It's trying to get a natural gas trade off today. Bitcoin is up on the screen. These are all your laggards today. Biggest lagging markets today we have is crude oil, followed by the Dow, followed by Bitcoin, followed by the S&P. $675 open trade equity on this trade right now, guys. This will be a $1,000 trade by the time it's done. Now I'm going to put another chart up over here. This is, by the way, this was a gold trade that I did earlier with the turbo scalp on a breakout inside of bull zone 1. That circle right there, identifying the qualification, breaking outside, taking it right up to the top, taking profits, and then it came back, pulled back, and got me stopped out. That was a turbo scalp template that was used there. And I'm going to pop up an S&P 1 minute with a different template. Just got to go find it here. There it is. I believe that's it. Maybe, maybe not. Yep, there it is. Okay, so here's a 1 minute. And take a look here. Now I could just use a trailing stop here with the SMA. But what I'm looking for right now, guys, I'm waiting for a, Joe, what color is it going to be? It's going to be, we're in bear territory, so we're going to see an RQ Obos that would be red, correct? Or green? Can't remember. Green. You guys see the green dots here? That would be a retracement. These yellows are just telling me oversold, oversold, oversold. Green means potential retracement coming. And so when I get that potential retracement, that's when I'm really going to start being more aggressive with my stop. Typically in bear zone 3 trades, you don't want to be that greedy. And what I just basically did is I grabbed a fib ruler here, retracement ruler, and drew this. from level to level and then dropped it down. Take a look. Guys, we just broke that. Holy cow. Like this is a massive sell-off. And guys, it's only 11 o'clock. 5 more hours of trading. So yeah, this could be really ugly today. So tell me if you're rolling out of bed, calling your stockbroker and saying, hey man, I want to think about selling the hell out of all of the stocks today. He's going to look at you and say, what? You want to short sell? Oh, you want to trade some options? No, I want to sell all the stocks. I want to sell some gas. I want to sell some crude. I want to sell, and I want to buy gold. He's going to say, I can't help you. You're going to have to go talk to somebody that trades commodities, trades global markets the same way with the same indicators every single day. All right, so 3 different looks. I want to just make sure that that was front and center so you guys could see that. Now, again, I could bring my stop up, and I'm going to lock in. So I'm locked in right now, 6 points, $350 roughly. I want to stay with this. I don't want to get too greedy, but then again, have I reached my goal? Yeah, I've hit my goal and then some. Let's just talk about performance for this day. It's been a good day. Nothing wrong with talking about that. So we are, here's the trades I've actually had prior to this trade you're looking at right now. Today's the 11th, right? Yeah, so we struggled in the NASDAQ, got stopped out. Made some money on the way up in gold. Struggled on some micros in the Dow, struggled until we finally got this last trade, and you can see the profits on that last trade. Trying to make $500. So, guys, I've got my goal right now. I'm at 412 actually. I've had as much as $600. So I was at my goal down here for the day. Might turn into a woulda, coulda, shoulda. Like if I would have just taken my goal off when we got down there, I could have had it. Well, the worst case scenario is I'm going to end up about 350 if I get stopped out here. And that's not a bad thing. Let's see what happens. Came up and just kind of smooched it. Is it going to go test that SMA? Possibly. Maybe not. Back down. While we're waiting, just go ahead and show off where we are for the week for the trades. There we go. $800. Like I said, this one trade alone, almost more than what I made all week. All right, so that's now stopped out. So 1,100 for the week, 319 for the day, and it was the last trade that finally got me there. And you guys got to see it live. A Bear Zone 3 trade. So if you want to learn more about all this kind of good stuff and get some education underneath you, then head on over to the tradingroom.com. Get your 5-day pass. It's free. And you can watch more videos just like this one, check out the performance, and learn about the technology, and learn how to trade like a quant. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for listening.